Hi, Naturally Quee here. Today I'm going to show you how I put together my natural hair oil mixture for hair growth. So first I'm going to start off with my almond oil. I got this from Amazon. Not sure of the price, and I don't measure how much I put in here. I just pour and then next I'm going to use some grapeseed oil. I got this from my local grocery store, Shoppers. Put that in there. Then I have some extra virgin olive oil, and I got this from Shoppers as well. As you can see, I emptied that, but I have another bottle of that. And then we have some avocado oil. I got this off of Amazon as well, but you can find that in your local grocery store as well. And then I have the safflower oil. I got this from Amazon as well, but they also have this at Shoppers. And I just realized that when I was in Shoppers, and I'm almost empty, so I bought another bottle. So then I'm going to go to my essential oils. I have some lavender oil. I had bought some essential oils off of Amazon, so it's not coming out, but I'm going to add a few drops here whenever it decides to come out. But this is the lavender, okay. And again, I don't count how many drops, I just let it do its thing. And then I have some peppermint oil. Put a couple drops in there. What else do we want to use? I have some sweet orange oil. All these essential oils that I'm putting in. I'm going to use maybe 5 essential oils for this mixture. So let's see, I'm going to use a little bit of lemon oil. Just use a little bit of lemon. A couple drops of the lemon. I like the smell of the lemon. That lemon smells amazing. It brings out the smell of the oil mixture once it's all mixed together. Then I'll use some bergamot oil. Let's use that. Put a few drops in there. I know I say a few, but it's more than a few, but you get the picture. Again, I'm not counting or measuring anything. So then now my final thing I'm going to use is my Jamaican castor oil. I got this on Amazon as well because it's a big bottle, and for the price it was a steal. But you can also find smaller bottles in your local grocery store, beauty supply store. And I'm just going to fill that up. On top. Put the top on here and shake. Make sure it's all blended together. And here we have my hair growth oil. I hope that this was helpful and you try it out. Let me know how you like it if you do. And I always blend these oils together. I never had any type of irritation or anything. So, and my hair is growing beautifully. So, thanks for watching. Bye.